adventurers! We are here today to celebrate October 2022, and we all know that October is Halloween season. Yes. Now, for Halloween, most people enjoy dressing up with their favorite spooky costumes. Yes. So, we have decided to make 4 wonderful witchy costumes that would fit our FR dolls. Yes. So, as you can see, I have already brought out the cloth we're going to use. We have the moss green, our violet, our red, a cloth with spider webs, and a lot of shades of black, dark blue with laces and ribbons. So, come with me. Let's enjoy our DIY. Let's go! So, our very first witch costume would be having the color combination of black, violet, and purple. Yes, so this, okay? Yeah, so because this is the only violet cloth that we have with us, so her witch costume would be having a shorter skirt. Yes. Now, if we have a shorter skirt, obviously we're going to use this, okay, as a stocking for her so that she would look, well, a little alluring. Yes. And obviously, to give a more Halloween vibe, we'll be using our spider web cloth. Yeah, so we're going to just imagine how she would actually look like, right? So, yes, we'll start first with her stockings. So let's go. So here we have our outfit. She actually looks really good. So yes, and then so I put some, okay, violet here to make it a little puffy. Yes, and I think there's something missing. Yes, her upper part is a little bare. So what we're going to do, I'm going to add more of this cloth. Yes, maybe some ruffles here or there. And then we're going to still use some of our spider web cloth. Yes, so that we can use it. Maybe make it a glove. Yes, she will still look pretty. So let's go. Let's be creative. So here she is. And as you can see, I finished making her sleeves. She looks so cute. I think I actually aimed for a Lolita look in this outfit. And, well, she's a cute witch. Yes. Actually, at the back of my mind, I was thinking of Winx. And, well, she looks like a fairy witch. So, nonetheless, I like it's cute and a little gothic-y. I don't have the right boots for her. Okay, yes. So, at least this one actually fits the bill. So, she looks very pretty. And yes, you can see the tulle. And yes, so everything looks really pretty and beautiful. And I like how the spider web cloth mixes with the violet. It is violet because I don't think this is purple. Okay, cloth, and then I also used it as her sleeves. So yeah, so sort of a glove thing. So anyway, what do you think?
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the